The Baha'i Gardens at BAHAI in Akko form a wide circle surrounding the historic mansion where Baha'u'llah, the prophet founder of the Baha'i faith, resided during the final years of his life, and the shrine where his remains were laid to rest. The religion began in 1844 in Shiraz, Iran. Sayyid Ali Muhammad Shirazi, the Prophet Bab, attempted to spread his belief but was faced with opposition from the Shia clergy. Despite gaining thousands of followers, he was executed after just 6 years. Mirza Hussain Ali Nuri Baha'u'llah continued his efforts. Baha'u'llah was expelled to a prison belonging to the Ottoman Empire in Akko.
This is what I remember that I had a photo.
When he was released, he spent 9 years living under house arrest, including the home that is a centerpiece in Akko's Baha'i Gardens. Through the years, the religion first spread to Western Europe and North America, and then the rest of the world.
We are here in Baha'i Garden, Akko. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga balakang.
Today, there are about 5 million people around the world who are followers of the Baha'i faith.